In this video, we will discuss about the flow process chart. In the last lecture, we have seen what exactly is an outline process chart, which is used to depict the various processes, to get a bird's eye view of the various processes in a manufacturing a product. So this flow process chart is a graphical representation just like the outline process chart, but this will be in a much detailed form. Okay, so this is a sequence of all the activities, that is operation, inspection, transport, delay and storage taking place in a process are depicted. In outline process chart, we used only two graphical symbols. One is for operation and another is for the inspection. We did not use any other elements of work to show the work. So but in flow process chart, we will use all these elements of like halt, transport, etc. Right? So in a way, you can say that this is a detailed version of the outline process chart. So process chart symbols are used here to represent the activities. So these are the elements of work. That is, totally you have 5 elements of work. One is operation, inspection, delay, transport, etc. We will see in detail. So let us look at some of the guidelines for making a flow process chart. So the details must be obtained by direct observation, and these should not be based on memory. Okay, and all the facts must be correctly recorded, and no assumption should be made, and this should be made easy for future reference. And also all charts must have the following details, that is name of the product, material or equipment that is observed, starting point and ending point, the location where the activities take place, the chart reference number, sheet number and number of total sheets. Okay. And also the key to the symbols used must also be stated. So these are the guidelines. Now let us look at the types of flow process chart. There are 3 types of flow process charts. These are man or worker type flow process chart. So this flow process chart records what the worker does. And you have the material type flow process chart. So this flow process chart records how the material is handled or treated. And then you have the equipment type flow process chart. So this records how the equipment or the machine is used. So these are the different types of flow process chart. We have only one outline process chart, but for the flow process chart, we have 3 different types. Now let us look at the first flow process chart, that is the man or worker type flow process chart. Okay, so this is an example of a man type flow process chart. So here you can see that we are using the elements of work. So that means this is for the delay operation, this is for showing the operation, and this is for showing the transport, that is for showing the transport, and then you have the inspection, etc. So we will use 5 elements of work. So let us start with here. You can see that first you have a delay operation, that is for preparation or requisition. Okay, so this takes 2 minutes. So this is shown by this symbol. Then you have the collection operation, collect requisition. So this will take 0.05 minute. And then you have the transport operation. This is transported to the supervisor, that is the distance taken is 100 feet. And then you have the operation, that is give requisition to the supervisor, which will take 0.05 minutes. And then you have the for signature, it will take 0 minutes. And then you have the collect requisition operation, which will take 0.05 minute. Then it is transported to store, the distance is 500 feet. Then you have give requisition to storekeep, it is 0.03 minute. And for materials, there is a delay, there is a 10 minutes. And then you have the inspection operation for checking for materials, it will take 3 minutes. And you have the collect materials. So this to shop, that is 500 minutes. Okay, so this is for a flow process man type, that is what a man does. So this process chart shows what all operations this man is doing. Okay, so this is shown by using these elements of work or symbols. So the summary is given. So you can see that total operation, you have 5 numbers, it will totally 4 minutes. Then you have the inspection, you have only 1 number, it will take 3 minutes. And then you have the transport operation, that is the total 3 transportation operation is there. The distance taken, total distance transported is 1100 feet. And then you have the delay, total 3 numbers are there, the time taken is 13 minutes. So this is a man type flow process chart. So next we will see what is a material type flow process chart. Okay, so again, so this is a material type flow process chart. That means what we are doing on the, what operations are done on that material. This is not man, this is what operations are done on that material. Okay, let us look at the first operation. See, this is a transportation operation, that is bring the article by cart into workshop. Then you have the cleaning operation, that is article is cleaned. Then again the article is taken to the galvanizing tank, that is a transportation operation. And then you connect the article to the rope hoist. So this process is galvanization of a article. Okay, so this is a operation. And then you have the another operation, that is dipping the article into molten zinc. And then you have the operation, that is get the article out of the molten zinc. Then you have the delay operation, that is we are holding the system to drain out excess zinc. Okay, then you have transportation operation, the article is taken to the cooling place. And then you have the placing the article to cool down. So that is an operation. Again, this is an operation, that is remove the rope hoist. Then you have the transportation operation, after cooling of article bring into sawdusting. Then this is an operation, that is sawdusting by hand on article. Then you are again moving the article for inspection. Then you have the inspection. Then loading of article into the car, there is an operation. Then article to store, there is a transportation operation. Then it is stored, so there is a delay operation. Okay, so this is a storage operation, this is not delay, this is a storage operation. Okay, so storage is shown by this symbol, delay is shown by this symbol. Okay, this is for storage. Next we will see what is a equipment type flow process chart. See, the job is requisition of petty cash, that is a type of a clerical job. So this is the analyst name. This is page 1 of 2. So the operations are shown here. This is an operation, there is an element of work. Then you have movement, that is transportation. Then you have the inspection element of work. Then you have delay. Then you have storage. Okay, so for a flow process chart, equipment flow process chart, the requisition first operation is requisition made out by department head. So this is an operation. Okay, so it is shown here in the bold. It's an operation. Then so that requisition is put in pickup flag. So that means there is a delay. Okay, so this is a delay element of work shown here. Then it is transported to the accounting department. So it is shown here. Okay, accounting department. Then account and signature verified. There is an inspection job that is shown. So from here it is going to here. Then amount approved by treasurer is shown. This is an operation. Then amount counted by cashier is shown here. So these are all operation. And amount recorded by bookkeeper is shown, and petty cash sealed in envelope, that is shown here. Then the petty cash carried to department. This is a transport operation, so it is moving to here. And then petty cash checked again, requisition. So again it moves to here. There is an inspection job, right? Then it moves back to here. So that is receipt signed. Again, this is an operation. And then it moves to the storage. Okay, so this is shown by here. Okay, this is how you draw a equipment type, machine or equipment type flow process chart. So again, you can see that for operations, you have 6 operations here. 2 inspection here, 2 transport which takes 15 meters here, and then you have 1 delay. So total number of elements of work, if you count, it will be 11, right? So this is the equipment type flow process chart.